I hate railfanning in the city sometimes. Too much damn traffic. And also the red light's holding you up too. I was late. See, the train just got here and the line is still all the way back, almost about at the other crossing. He came from that way. You think he comes from this way at 2:30? Because of how long the line is. You can shorten it if y'all come to my side. They can shorten it if they come to my side. Surprised I even got some of them at all. Here comes a train. And he has a different signal today. He has a lunar signal. Red, red, white. I don't know what a lunar signal means. I'd like to move. Union Pacific manifest about to pass a lunar signal. the lunar signal means. Look at the coils. Some of the cars are loaded and some aren't. I come to this spot because it's less congested. Because depending on how long the train is or how slow he has to go, it's hard to get out because of the line. He's almost done. His process is almost done. Oh, I didn't even notice that yellow sign is there. Y'all said it was telling the crew that a mile ahead there is a speed limit restriction. So I couldn't tell if he had to slow down for that or the lunar signal or both. Like, I don't know anything about railroads and trains. We have another train. After the Union Pacific that's passed. It looks like an intermodal. He on his way. Look like he's switching tracks. Oh my God, y'all are. Oh my God, like oh my God, like, do you not see a sign warning you that you're gonna meet Jesus if you try to beat the train, man? CSX Intermodal. It's almost over. It looks like the cars are wobbling from this angle. Some people going over a switch. Oh man, my mom is calling. I'll call her back and say I was getting a train. What does she want? I can't see how much train he got left. I think he's almost done. Shit, I can't tell. He just left the block. There we go. And the Fred is flashing since it's raining and snowing at the same time. Alright, on time for another train. Oh my goodness, it's the Chessie system paint scheme. Look at it. It's the Chessie system paint scheme. Wow, get to see it again. Wow, look at it. It's so pretty. I mean, the first time I spotted that Chessie system paint scheme, I didn't even pay attention because the train was coming from this way, going into the yard, and I was looking at a train coming out of it. So the CSX Intermodal is passing through slowly. I assume he had a restricted signal too. Everybody just got stopped by him. Turn off the car to save gas since he's going slower. And there's your Amazon package. Turn off y'all cars, save y'all gas. That speed, we gonna be here till next year. I can see why people try to be. I mean, this is why people try to beat the train. The trains have to have speed limits and signals to obey, just like you in your car. Like, you got a speed limit in your car, you gotta go. The trains have speed limits just like you. They have signals that they obey just like you, like you have to obey the red light and the green light. The trains gotta do that too. But unlike your car where you can easily stop at the red, trains can't stop so easily. So the signal aspects tell the engineer what's going on at the block ahead. So if he has to stop in 2 blocks or whatever, then the signal before that will tell him, and he has to start slowing down early because trains can't stop as easily as you in your car. Y'all want to beat the train. So would you rather wait 5 minutes or 5 hours if there's a collision and it delays everything, you know? I'm surprised these drivers ain't turning around and drove, because dang. Because normally the drivers, they be turning around and dove because they don't want to wait for the train. See, that car, he's stuck. They stuck. If they give up waiting and they can't go because of that median, that's why I try to stop before the median in case you give up waiting. I can Ain't a bell. Get on the train coming. I hear the bell. Get on the train coming. Oh, a DPU. He long enough for a DPU, y'all. Okay, now he's speeding up. A little bit. I saw he's switching tracks, maybe because it's an intermodal, he has to go a little slower. I don't know. Like, I don't know about railroads. I usually go for what y'all tell me in the comments. signal do you think he had? Limited clear, red over flashing green. Y'all told me in the comment. Somebody had commented like a graph of the signals and it said that red over flashing green is limited clear. At the go the limited speed over turnouts, crossovers, switches until the entire train clear, and then they can go track speed. Dang, I done waited almost an hour for him. He finally here. That white car like, nope, I ain't got time for this. No, Jesus. And I waited almost an hour for him. I got here at 3:30, I think. Shoot. And them drivers are tapping out already. They know. Like, damn. Kansas City Southern, or Canadian Pacific Kansas City Southern, whatever y'all just said. He had yellow, he had red over yellow. Kansas City Southern, then Mexico. Mexican train. The signal he had was red over yellow. I got two different answers about this. Some said divergent approach and some said medium approach. Hard to tell if he's switching tracks. Looks like he could be. I got mud on my shoes. If I can clean them off, it's no big deal. DPU. SD70 Ace. Like his consist is almost over. I gotta clean my shoes. I got here 10 minutes to 4. So I waited 40 minutes for him. There's that air that I hear. That air. We're on time for another train. You can tell these drivers don't want to wait for the train, man. They know these trains are long. And it looks like we have Canadian National. I like Canadian National. EF-644P with CSX trailer. It's loaded. You know where the sun is shining. Canadian National kind of looks like BNSF at first. Let the Canadian locomotives, label their model numbers different than the American ones. I hear slack, so is he gonna stop or? Alright, his consist is almost over. I think he got another mile or so of train left. Between this crossing and the one on our left, there's about a mile or a quarter mile or so. I'm gonna lie. I'm mad the time I saw him. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see, can his consist finish before he stops, if he has to stop. Let's see. Come on, come on. You can do it. The little engine that could. Was that noise coming from the Fred? Well, y'all can't wait to get out of here.